Hey everyone, it is Sparkle and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm just going to show you different styles, different centerpieces that you can use for your dining table. This is one of the looks that I use for my table, and I do have a full video on this whole dining room look. So if you did not see it, I will post that somewhere on the screen and also in the description box. And for the rest of the year, I'm going with the color purple and also a little bit of gold and silver. So I did start off in my dining area and I'm still not finished. I still have to do the living room, the kitchen, and the bathroom. But this is what it looks like so far. So I'm going to start off by taking these pieces off the table. And I want to remove this smaller tray, and I'm going to replace it with a larger serving tray. And this is the tray that I will be using. It's a light color gold, and it goes with the vases that you see in the background, and all three pieces are from Haverty's. I use this mirror candle holder that's from Hobby Lobby. Now the reason why I'm using this is because anytime I like to put vases on the floor, things like that, it helps it from falling over. So that's why I'm using it to place my hurricanes. That way it won't, tip over or anything like that. But this is the overall look. This is one option that you can do. Now for the second look, I'm basically going to do the same thing, but I'm going to remove the mirror and I'm going to replace it with 3 of the smaller mirrors that are from Dollar Tree. Y'all can find these at Dollar Tree for only $1. And once again, y'all, this is going to prevent my hurricanes from falling over, because on the inside of the tray it is not smooth at all. So I'm just placing them on top of the mirrors.
I long for that feeling. Why did it have to go away? I long for that feeling. Remember everything you said. Had to go on dreaming.
For this third look, I am still going to use the hurricanes, but I'm just going to remove one and I'm going to keep 2 of them, and you'll see what I add in just a few seconds.
'Cause I don't want nobody else. I'm not afraid to be alone, new beginnings. I'm not afraid to overcome every feeling that I have.
And this is a DIY that I did. I just made a fruit bowl. So you can use any kind of centerpiece that you want, but being that fall is coming up, I wanted to do the fruit bowl, and I think it looks really nice. The artificial fruit that you see in here is from Michael's, and it looks really nice. But like I said, y'all can do any kind of centerpiece that you want to. You can use pine cones, you can use spears, anything that you like. It's all up to you.
I know that feeling. We say goodbye until it hurts. I know that feeling. and fireworks. Yeah.
Now I'm going to take that same mirror and I'm going to place it in the middle.
I'm not afraid of overcoming.
And look, I'm going to use the same fruit bowl that I made and I'm going to put it on top of the mirror. So you could just switch it up just like that. And also, if you want to add something on the side, you can. So that's when I'm going to bring in my same hurricanes and I'm going to set them on each side, and there you have it.
Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, no matter what I do. 'Cause nothing can really hide us.
Now I'm going to bring in this floral arrangement that I made and it turned out really beautiful. This is a huge statement piece that you can do in your home. All of the florals are a mixture of Hobby Lobby and Michaels. In the ginger jar, I purchased this online at inspiremehome.com. So y'all be sure to check out their decor pieces. They have some really beautiful things. So yeah, but this is it. Yep, just put it on my table. Just if I want to put it on there, I can, but I'm not going to keep it there. I'm going to show you also where I can put it in my home. So keep on watching. So in my living room, I'm not finished. I haven't started the process of putting in the purple accent colors, not just yet because I am still waiting on a few more things to come. So yeah, so I'm just going to clear off my table because I want to show you guys how it would look if I put that floral piece in here on the coffee table. And there it is, y'all. So this is another look that I can also do. And like I said, I can move it around in different areas in my home.
How you been? Where you hide? Late night drinking, wishful thinking. What if you were here? Morning waking, heart still aching. Something about the way you make me feel. I don't wanna mess up your night. I don't wanna put up a fight. I don't wanna trouble you, babe, but I gotta.
All right, so this is the end of the video, but this is where I am going to keep this floral arrangement. I'm just going to keep it on my console table for right now. But yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. And if you have not subscribed, I hope you hit the subscribe button. Also, follow me on Instagram. I will put that information in the description box also. And it is your girl Sparkle. Thank you for watching.